Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Blood West game stuck on loading screen or not loading error on PC. So let's go through the methods. So the very first method is to restart your PC. For that, click on the Windows icon over here. Now click on power, then select restart. So this will restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, check if the game is launching or not. If not, next method is to run game as administrator. So what you need to do is just go to the file explorer. Now go to the game folder. And here is the application. Just right click on it, click on properties, now click on compatibility, and here you have to select run this program as an administrator. Click on apply and OK, and then launch the game and check whether it's working or not. If not, select run this program in compatibility mode 4, select Windows 8 or Windows 7, click on apply and OK, and then check if the game is launching or not. If not, again come back, select disable full screen optimizations, click on apply and OK, and then try to play the game whether it's working or not. If the issue still occurs, come back again, uncheck all of these, click on apply and OK, and then move to the next method. So the next method is to verify integrity of game files. So for that, go to the Epic Games. Now go to the library section. Here you have to click on the 3 dot icon of the game, then click on manage, and here you can see verify option. Click on verify. Once the game files are verified, now check if the game is launching or not. If not, next is to add launch arguments. So for that, again go to Epic Games, under library section, select your game, click on 3 dot icon, click on manage, and here you can see launch option. You have to enable it, and after that you have to type -dx11 and then try to launch the game and check whether it's working or not. If the issue still occurs, again come back, type -dx12 and then check if it's working now. If the issue still occurs, come back, remove the launch option, and then move to the next method. Next is to update your graphics card. For that, go to the Windows search. So now search for device manager, open it. Here you have to expand the display adapter, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver, and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your graphics drivers. Once done, launch the game and check. Nvidia and AMD users, go through the link already provided in the description, and you can easily update your graphics card from there. Next method is to allow the game through firewall. So for that, go to the Windows search for Windows security. Now click on firewall network protection, click on allow an app through firewall, click on change settings. After that, here you have to add your game to the list. So if you cannot find the game, click on allow another app. Now click on browse. After that, go to the game folder where your game has been installed. So go to the game folder, Epic Games. Here is the game application, add it to the list over here. Now after adding it, select it, make sure both public and private boxes are ticked, and then click on OK, and after that launch the game and check if it's working now. If not, run the game as dedicated graphics card. So for that, go to the Windows search for graphics settings. Here you have to add your game to the list. For that, click on add a desktop app. Now go to the game folder where your game has been installed. So go to the game folder, add the game application to the list. Now click on the arrow icon, and after that, under GPU preference, you have to select high performance and then launch the game and check if it's working now. If not, next method is to stop overclock CPU and GPU settings. So sometimes overclocking makes the CPU and GPU unstable. So you are suggested to check if there is any overclocking of CPU or GPU in the background. This will help you to fix the issue. Next solution is to check graphics settings of the game. So when a graphics settings are not properly set up, like texture quality, resolution, etc., then it directly impacts the game, and this is where the game can crash or suffer from other issues. So make sure to set up the settings properly, or even lower the graphics settings to avoid the unwanted issue. Next is to close unnecessary background tasks. So for that, go to the Windows search over here. Now you have to search for task manager. Search for task manager. Now after that, go to the process tab, and here you have to find those apps which are running in the background but without any use. You simply have to select them. Now after selecting them, right click on it, click on end task. So this will completely close the app that is running in the background, and after that try to launch the game and check. If not, next method is to update Windows. For that, go to the Windows search for check for updates. This will take you to the Windows update page. Here you have to click on check for updates option, and it will check if there is any update available. If yes, update your Windows to the latest version and then try to launch the game and check. Next is to disable antivirus program. So if you are having an antivirus program, then it can interrupt in your gameplay and can lead to such kind of issues. The antivirus program blocks the game and you cannot play. So it's suggested to check the settings of that particular program or disable it completely and then enjoy the game hassle free. Next solution is to install Visual C++ files. So for that I have already provided this link in the description. Just copy and paste it in your browser. Once the website opens, go below. Here you have to click on the link to download. Once the link is downloaded, you have to click on it to open. You will get repair or install option. So simply click on repair option and wait for some time unless you get setup successful message. Now close this and after that restart your PC once. After restarting, again log into the game and check whether it's working or not. If not, next is to increase virtual memory. So for that, go to the Windows search for view advanced system setting. Search for view advanced system settings. Now click on settings, then click on advanced, click on change. Now here you have to select the drive where your game has been installed. After that, select custom size. In the initial size you have to type 12288 and in the maximum size you have to type 24576 and then click on set and then click on OK. Once done, launch the game and check if it's working now. If not, then the final solution is to reinstall Blood West game. For that, go to Epic Games. Now under library section, select your game, click on the three dot icon and here you can see uninstall option. Simply click on it and this will completely remove the game from your PC. Now once done, restart your PC once. After restarting, again launch Epic Games, reinstall Blood West game once again and then click on the play button to check whether it's working or not.